All right, so today we're doing a review of this organic Pasa chili lime chips. These are from Costco. You can get them there, and it's not too expensive, but it's a pretty big bag. There's the nutrient panel. There's the ingredients, and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. They're really good. They have a subtle heat to it, and they have that nice lime taste to it. It's actually quite good. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.